Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add background image in HTML and CSS. So, let's get started. I will show you two methods to do it. First things first. Open your editor app. Once it is opened. First method is very simple. Then in the body tag, write background. Is equal to. Then add 2 commas. Then write the location of image. Then save the code. Then open it in your browser. To see the result. As you can see that image is added. Now the second method is a little different from the first one. First I will remove the first image. In the head tag, make a style tag. Then in the style tag, write body. Then starting and ending curly brackets. Then write background image like this. Then add URL code. And in the URL bracket, enter the image location. After entering it, click on Save. Then view it in your browser. Then refresh the page. And boom! And that's how you to add background image in HTML and CSS. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.